get here. Unfortunately, one of you will be going home this evening. Charlie, you created an avant-garde hairstyle that allowed you to work with a photographer and capture his vision. You used the flowers well, and the shape was beautiful. You were the winner of this challenge. Your work was sheer genius. You may join Nicole. Daniel? Dee?
Bobby.
I'm sorry to say the competition is over for one of you.
The fashion model runway and going for gold.
Hurrah for American sportswear.
But that can't stop the drama in the workroom.
There's too many queens around. It's crazy. Totally wackadoodle.
Somebody get that girl a muzzle. Ooh, charm the judges.
She almost looks silly.